Hey guys, welcome back to Tool Deals. If you're not subscribed yet, remember to subscribe with a little bell so you can receive a notification every day that I upload a new deal. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm bringing you two new deals. The first one is, well, the pictures here is, let me see, it's kind of small. I'm gonna make it bigger. So the first deal is this one. It's a brushless circular saw by Dewalt. And it comes with a 5 amp hour battery and a charger and a bag. Okay, this tool is as I said, it's the brushless version, which is pretty freaking sweet. If you don't know what brushless means, that means that it has a brushless motor which lasts longer and it's usually more powerful. Okay, so this one I'm going to show you here. This picture looks a little bit better. Comes with a 7¼ inch blade and, as I said, the battery. So the price for this one is $179. It's by Granger, and what you can do with this one, you can pick it up and it would be $179, or you can ship it. It's usually $15 at least for this tool to ship it, so you can choose here and then just go to checkout. Okay, so this one is really good. I'm going to show you the price for this one. At least on Home Depot, it's $278. But also you need to notice that this one comes with a 4 amp hour battery. The other one comes with a 5 amp hour battery. Okay, so you can scroll down a little bit and you can see this one is a 5 amp hour battery. So this one will last a little bit longer. Okay, so the price, if you compare it to this one, it should be about the same, maybe a little bit more expensive. So savings are really good. Okay, so it's $179. Okay, so let's go to the next deal. But before we go there, just remember that the links to all these products are in the description. And also, please give this video a like so you can help me grow this channel. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next deal is this one. This is a 10-inch pole saw attachment by Ego. Okay, this system, it's really popular. It seems that it's really powerful. This one though, you need to be aware, before we keep going with this one, that you will need the head attachment. Okay, so this one is just a pole with a saw and also the little container for the oil, but this one is the attachment. So you will need this one. If you already have it, that would be great. Okay, but if you don't have it, it might be a little bit expensive, you know, because you would have to get the head and then the battery system and all that. But if you already got this part, which you can attach to multiple parts, not only to this head, but you can use all these other tools. Okay, so if you already have this one, as you know, Ego products don't go on sale that often, but this one is $105 right now. It's usually $150, and it has amazing reviews. You can see here 4.8. That's amazing. Okay, so yeah, these are the deals for today. If you've got any questions or recommendations, please leave it in the comments. And yeah, remember to subscribe with a little bell. And remember that I upload new deals every day. Okay, see ya guys.